Hello beautiful people. In this quick tutorial I wanted to show you how you can set up your Hermes agent to be able to post TikTok content on your behalf, and that is fully automated, meaning once you set it up there's literally no human intervention required anymore. To show you that I walk the walk, that I also talk, here's an account that I actually just set up with our automation and Hermes agent. And as you can see, it basically publishes these cookbook style recipes. So just to show you, we basically have a 3-page slideshow with the recipe in the first slide, then the ingredients list, and then we can see the individual steps. And from what you can see, these slides or these slideshows, they look really, really good. As far as I'm concerned, they're also accurate. And again, you'll have unique content that is being posted on your behalf and fully automated, meaning again, there's no human intervention. Now, without further ado, let's actually show you how you can accomplish all of that. Now, what you need, first of all, is a way to be able to post to TikTok. Now, you can get direct API access, but that will take a bunch of weeks for you to be approved. So what I recommend, and that is a shameless plug because I'm one of the founders, is to use a tool called GenViral. Because with GenViral, you get access to not only TikTok, but many other social media platforms. So whatever other social media automation it is that you want to set up, you can use that on top as well. And when you get started, what you need to do is you need to feed your agent the API docs here that I will also make sure to link to in the description of this video. Now, once you've done that, a few more things that you also need to add. First of all, really important that you also add an API key, which you can get here on the API keys, and then you click on new API key, and that will be your way or your agent's way of authenticating and using GenViral, the service. Then the next point or the next thing that you want to do is you want to connect your social accounts to GenViral, because that is a prerequisite for you to be able to post content. So what you need to do is you need to connect here on, or you need to click here on connect and then select TikTok. You will go through the whole authentication and then you have TikTok added here and you'll be able to post automatically to TikTok. So that's a little bit of prerequisites. One more thing that is another prerequisite. That will ultimately depend, however, on how you plan to generate content. With GenViral, when it comes to TikTok generation, you can also generate slideshows. So this is what the slideshows endpoint here is for. We also have the native TikTok text and everything, so that can be used. You also have slideshow packs, so it can pick directly from image packs that you set up yourself and that you upload on the platform. Or in the case of the automation that I've shown you, you can also generate content with AI. In this case, it uses the Studio AI endpoint. And this is what I'm going to show you how I accomplish it. Again, it will ultimately depend on whether you want to publish videos, whether you want to publish slideshows, if slideshows, whether you bring your own images, or you have them created by AI. In any event, if you need any help to set these up, you can also always book a call via our website, and I can help you set up the whole automation as well. Now, what I'm going to show you is just a few things of how I set up the agent or the automation, because again, ultimately it will be dependent on your specifics. Nonetheless, regardless of whether it's TikTok or any other platform, what you will have to do is more or less the same. Now, coming back to the Hermes agent, so basically in the conversation here in the general chat, and we use Discord by the way, because we've automated and we are automating quite a lot of other processes within our company. And what I told it is to basically tell me if it can first see the accounts listed, and it said yes, I can see the accounts, etc., etc. Again, that's just important to make sure that the agent has access to the accounts and thereby can post to them. Now, next step again is to then clarify whether we want to post videos, carousels, etc., etc. Whether we then want to have the post being uploaded as draft or automatically. As draft will mean that the TikTok post will be sent to your phone from which you can then post it. A bunch of other things such as the posting cadence, whether or not you want to manually review it first, etc., etc. Generally, what I recommend with TikTok is to post as draft, which will then allow you to manually review the post, and in the case of slideshows, add a song, because for licensing reasons, when you post automatically through the API. TikTok will automatically pick a song, which again, if you want to pick songs and have a little bit more say in the content, in the slideshow content at least, then that's also important. Now, and then again, a bunch of other things such as hashtags, captions and everything. Again, ultimately dependent on your specific automation. Now, what's really important in my case is that, as you can see here, I've actually set up a dedicated folder with a baseline image or a baseline set of images. So that's what I'm going to show you. And I also asked the chat or the Hermes agent if it can actually see the folder. Again, really important to confirm, hey, can you see this Hermes automation folder? If so, just confirm and make sure that you know in which order to pick these images. So again, in my case, as I've shown you guys before, I wanted to emulate this particular style. What's really important when you use AI images here is that you already have a good base image, meaning when the AI then has to change aspects of the slideshow, make it so that there's as little kind of like points of failure as possible, which means, like, for example, I already added, this is our food app, by the way, Pantry AI. I already added a badge here with a CTA to download the app and search for the app in the App Store. And then, as you can see, we basically have these 3-page slideshow, as I showed you before, with the ingredients, the title slide, as well as the instructions. And again, really important then that you specify which one is which of the images to pick. And then again, a bunch of other things. So again, in the Studio AI endpoints case, what we want to also specify, and the Studio AI is basically an API version of our AI Studio, where you can pick various video and image models, and you can then pick from those different image and video models. And so effectively, this is the same here, which means you can specify, okay, I want to use GPT image 2, I want to use Nano Banana 2, I want to use this and that aspect ratio, which brings me to my next point. I really, really recommend, before you automate anything, to just have this done manually, either on, for example, TikTok, the platform, or in this case through GenViral, because that will just give you a better understanding of the kind of like intricacies of each automation. Because ultimately, if you want to automate something, it'll be much easier to automate it once you actually know it step by step and end to end. And so again, that's basically what I then did, is I told it, hey, I want to pick GPT image 2, quality set to medium, resolution 2K, a bunch of other things. And then finally, I asked it to pick from our website. So this is specific to our automation, because in our case, we have our website where we store a bunch of recipes on this page. And so I normally tell it, hey, just pick a random recipe from our website, from our blog, and then create the content around that. Again, coming back, ultimately it will depend on your specific workflow. Then what I like to do, just as a final bit, is to have it send the post in the chat. So don't post it yet, but make it create a post so that you can see the caption that we'll use. You can check the quality of the content. And as you saw here, this was then the post that it made. I generally liked it and said, okay, let's now set it up as an automation. In this case, I also confirmed it for another account that we ran it. And then ultimately, what I told it to, once this was posted, to then always confirm them, in this case in our Pantry AI channel, because again, Pantry AI is our cooking app that we'll try to market. So again, to summarize, what you need is, you need to GenViral sub, you need to feed it the API documentation, then you need to make sure to also give it the API keys, as well as connect the social account, in this case the TikTok account before, via the social post section here, and then manage accounts and connect the account here in the bottom left. And then once that's the case, again, it will ultimately depend on your specific automation. If it's TikTok slideshows, really, really important to have either images that it picks from your packs. So in this case, the image packs that you can upload here, or you can also create folders here in your upload section. This is where you would upload content directly from your machine. Or you can also create folders, for example, here, and then drag the images in here. This is the AI image tab where your generated content will appear, as you can see here, for example. So this overall is how you can get started posting automated content to TikTok using Hermes agent and our product GenViral. If you guys have any questions, do do let me know in the comment section of this video. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.